Busy day today. We are in the final push towards getting the house and its final inspection done. I've been out on spring break all week and it's been busy. Like 15-hour days, just getting as much done as possible. We're locked in on our interest rate and we have to get this thing done. We have inspection tomorrow, so there's a lot to get done. But luckily, the rainstorms have held off for a bit. They're supposed to be coming in, so time to get even more done before the rain comes in. Back in May, we were able to sell our other house and get started, kind of get started on the new house. We didn't break ground till October or late September. And it is April, so it's been 7 months of go, trying to get this thing done, just kind of all consuming. And it's crazy how even after all these months, it's still coming down to one day and a bunch of tasks to get done. I guess most exciting things is we're gonna get the deck finished off with the railing today. My buddy Ronnie from Do It Bro, Tanner Works, you've probably seen his channel on here before, has made custom railing to go around, and it's like the final touch. I'm really excited. It's gonna look awesome. He always does a super nice job. He did railing up at my parents' cabin and it turned out amazing. And it's not every day you get full custom railing made by somebody. There's a lot of companies that just kind of order it and throw it on, but this is 100% custom and it's gonna look great, I think. Here we are. Crazy how it's changed price since the last time we showed it. It's really came together. Exterior's all done, garage doors, all that stuff, but there's still a few things inside to get buttoned up. Got our hexagon lights installed. We did 4 of them up here. It's really cool because there's no shadowing. So when you're in here working or filming or whatever, not a lot of shadows to deal with. Coming on inside, got everything done in here. Have a little bit of electrical to do up there. We kind of forgot about. That's for the low voltage, for the under cabinet lighting. That's where they'll plug in. Got the butler's pantry here. I need to remember where all the light switches are. Had them memorized in the old house. Everything's done there. Had to reorder some cabinet doors that came messed up. They're on the way. Kitchen with the island covered in junk. All our tools, everything else. But I think it's turned out all right overall. Dining area. The tile entertainment center built. Electric fireplace here, TV here. One of my favorite parts as well, and I know I just keep on saying, my favorite this, my favorite that. We put in this accordion style door. So it just slides. So it opens up all the way. So we have all this access to the deck. I don't know if everybody likes that, but we are super excited for that, to be able to open that up. Lets in so much fresh air, but just opens up this whole deck to the backyard. They just finished doing the solid surface deck. And this thing looks so nice. Love the way it turned out. We've had 2 Trex decks before, and I am not a huge fan of them. So I'm hoping that I'll really enjoy this solid surface. I like how it has the texture to it, the patterning, all that. But as you can tell, no railing. We need to get that fixed today. We have our 90,000 pounds of block that we've hauled this week and put in place. It's just 4 feet tall, because any higher than that we'd have to have engineering, but I think it turned out pretty good. My buddy was here all day yesterday with his skid steer and his leveling equipment, getting everything kind of leveled as it should, sloping away from the house, all that sort of stuff. Got our cap put on. Went with a flat cap because we'll have our barbecue and smoker and all that here. So I think this is gonna be a perfect place to use as kind of a little bit of a table. Eventually, where the little Kubota is, have a shop right there. At least that's the goal. Just have to find some more Benjamins to do that. Windows turned out really nice. Here's Ronnie's trailer. That's all of our railing in there, and it's all locked up and he wouldn't let me see it. I think I need to put a fire pit down here with how this block wall turned out. Fire pit right down in there would be pretty cool. Luckily, nobody's fallen off yet. I guess knock on wood there. Got the master bedroom all done in here. Master bath's done. Overall, pretty much all buttoned up. Just the last few things that we need to get done. And hopefully we can pass inspection tomorrow. Just need to get going on stuff. And as always, I'm up to the last second getting everything done because that's just how things go. So this will be the office here. Really like how the carpet turned out. Beautiful windows. Check out that view. Gonna be great. Now it's just time to get going on stuff. Ronnie's finally here to put on the railing. And he wouldn't let me look at it last night. So let's see what we got here.
You got a Christmas present today, man.
Fresh powder coat. That is beautiful. It's gonna look so dang good. Here's one of the panels here, this gate.
What do you think?
I think it's great, buddy.
You like it?
Yeah.
It looks good now, huh?
Yeah, the powder coat turned out great on it. Yeah.
It'll look good all installed. So that's your gate.
It's gonna be awesome.
We'll see. Hopefully everything goes good with this.
Oh.
It's got me nervous.
Oh, it'd be good.
Guys are just doing a little dry fit, making sure the railings all work out, right measurements.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Looks really good.
Thank you.
Railing guys, can do it, bro. When Tanner works, heading out, you've got to see this. They did such a good job. But here we are. So we got this little lock here. Now I know we don't have a step here, but hoping with the lock that they'll let us till we get our landscaping and our step there. But this rail looks so good, huh, Kara? It just finished everything off. And Ronnie worked his butt off to get this done. Him and his guys, they did an excellent job. Just beautiful. So many little details. You can't see a bolt anywhere. Everything's hidden. All the hardware, everything. And then right over here on this gate, to make it look like a 2-inch post like all the others, he did 2 1s with the hinge. So from a distance, looks like a 2-inch. Same with that. So everything just looks so symmetrical.
Every little detail was thought out because the deck is on a slope. And so he kind of had to tweak his formula.
His equation. Yeah, because it slopes quite a bit, but the solid surface has to slope away from the house. So to get the rail all perfect, it took some doing. Here it is from the back. You can see how that railing just ties everything together with the soffit being black and the railing and all the doors and windows. I really think this has turned out as we expected, and it's been a process to say the least. Looks like we're good to go for the inspection. I think Kara and I have went through the list and checked it twice and all that sort of stuff several times. I don't know. Sometimes building inspectors find things, but being that this is the first house I've ever built and I'm not a general, so who knows what they'll find. I've had really good subs, great subs, and so that shouldn't be a problem, but you never know what they're going to find. I overall think it's turned out really nice. Well, new day. Not so nice out here today. It is Monday and we passed final inspection. Wow, what a relief to finally be done with that. And now we can start moving in. After, I don't know, since May, it's April now, almost a year of working and putting everything, every bit of time that we have into the house. We're done. We can finally move in, decorate, all those sort of things, move out of my parents' house, which it's been great that they'll let us move in there for now and save some money, but it is good to be done. I'm so glad that the inspection went well. Everything turned out great. I can now go on to next projects, or we can finally go camping again. That's the big goal. But it's gonna be hard to leave this view sitting out on the deck. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Let us know what you think of the house. Let us know if you've went through this experience before, done the final inspections, building, all that stuff. You know, the stresses of life that way. And enjoy your weekend.